Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abdul Mannan, Assistant Teacher, Bangladesh and Global Studies, Shamsullah Khan School and College, English version. Students, after Eid vacation, today we are going to again start our online class. So welcome to our videos online class. Dear students, already we have completed chapter 4. Today I will take a lesson. Today I will take a class on chapter 2, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. Our today's topics: Introduction of chapter 2 and lesson 1, Introduction to Cultural Diversity in Bangladesh. At first introduction, then lesson 1, Introduction to Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. Dear students, before beginning book, at first we will know what is culture and what is cultural diversity, because our chapter headline is Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. So we have to know two things: what is culture and what is cultural diversity. The answer you see in the slide. Culture is a way of life of a group of people. Culture is a way of life of a group of people. Culture includes something: the behaviors, beliefs, values, social habits, symbols, music and arts that they accept generally without thinking about them. This is the definition of culture. The next, what is cultural diversity? Diversity means variety. The meaning of diversity is variety. The definition of cultural diversity is: cultural diversity is the existence of a variety of cultural identities in terms of clothing, food habits, programs within a society. So cultural diversity is the variety in terms of food, habits and various programs. Now let's start from book, chapter 2, Culture and Cultural Diversity of Bangladesh. At first, introduction. This is the introduction of this chapter. So actually the variety of size, look and appearance of the people of Bengali is the main reason is the mixture of ethnic inhabitants living in here in our country. So the mixture of different ethnic inhabitants has contributed to the forming variety of size, look, appearance of the people of Bengal. The same way, similarly, the varied mixture of linguistically different people made their cultural diversified. However, we know our country is rural and agro-based country, so rural culture and agriculture, agro-based culture is prominent in here. Not only that, whimsical rivers and seasonal diversity is also enriched the minds of Bengalis. So, if you want to understand the Bengali culture, at first we have to know the ground of diversity. This is the introduction of this chapter. After completing this chapter, we will be able to explain, number 1, explain Bangladeshi culture in relation to various languages, religions and communities. And number 2, we can explain, after completing this chapter, describe the diversity present among different communities. And number 3, describe both rural and urban culture of Bangladesh. And number 4, we can explain, describe the folk culture of Bangladesh and its elements. And number 5, we can explain, describe cultures of various ethnic groups of Bangladesh. After completing this chapter, we can able these things. Okay, now lesson 1. You see in the slide, lesson 1, Introduction to Cultural Diversity in Bangladesh. Cultural variety in Bangladesh. Cultural diversity according to region. I have divided some parts of this part. Cultural diversity according to religion. At first, cultural diversity according to Brahmin and Hindu religion. Cultural diversity in the next according to Islam. Cultural diversity according to Buddhism and Christianity. And the mixed religion of cultural diversity. At first, Brahmin and Hindu religion. You see, religion plays a vital role to individual life and social life. Religion plays vital and important role to individual's life as well as social life. Once upon a time, people worshipped of nature such as sky, sun, moon, trees, oceans, rivers, etc. But after spreading Brahmin religion, they include some new god and goddess with some old god and goddess. And not only that, the local devotional songs means the religious songs. You can see the religious songs. Mantras and tantras. Mantras and tantras means mantra and tantra. And lyrics and folk stories persisted in the Brahmin religion. The Vedic book of religion and Vedanta hymns written in Sanskrit are new editions. Vedic book of religion, religion's book, and Vedic hymns. Vedic hymns means Vedic religions, religious song, hymns. These songs is written in Sanskrit language, Sanskrit. And they also practice art and crafts. The Brahmin religion, religious people, they also practice art and crafts. And they also decorating idols, ornaments, and touch painting prevalent, while prayer, hymns, sacrifice rites also were prevalent. They make decorating idols. Idols means figure or god, as like Durga, and ornaments and touch painting prevalent, while prayer hymns means religion song, and sacrificial rites also are prevalent, influential. The Hindu religions also includes dance as one of its prayer rituals. In the religious person, they also dance in their religious function, religious festivals. This is the cultural diversity of Brahmin religion and Hindu religion. Then the next, cultural diversity of Islam. You know, in the 7th century, Islam was spread in our area, in Bangladesh. The hard and fast caste rules of Hindu religion, customs, hard and fast customs of Hindu religion, lower caste of Hindu religion person interested to Islam. And in our country, most of the priests in our country, Islam was spread by the Sufis, and most of the fortune seekers, most of the Sufis came from Iran, Afghanistan, Turkey, like this area. They came and they circulated Islam in our area. And over the centuries, the huge Muslim community has risen in this country. Islam was spread widely in our region, in our country. And the Muslims, they have celebrated two main religious festivals, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, and other some religious festivals. But in our area, before long time, Hindu and Muslims, both religion communities people, they live in here all together in harmony, and they have no dispute between two communities, people, Hindu and Muslims. Not only that, from the both communities contribute to flourishing, to develop our folk culture, our social culture, as like baul songs, Noshikata, etc. with them based on their respective religions. They also contribute to develop, to flourish our folk culture and our social culture. There are differences between Hindu and Muslims of our country, the basis of religion. There are differences between Hindu and Muslims, basis of the religion, but they live in here in harmony and in the humanitarian values. But the difference also there between Arab Muslim and Bengali Muslim. There are difference also, Arab Muslim and Bengali Muslims. Arab Muslims, and the difference between the two communities in weather and language, because Arab Muslims, their language is Arabic, but our language is Bangla, and their weather and our weather is different. These are the cultural diversity of Islam. The next slide is cultural diversity of Buddhism and Christianity. Another two religions, Buddhism and Christianity. In our country, there are living some Buddhist and Christian people, and especially Buddha followers, they follow the Gautam Buddha, and the Christian, they follow the Jesus. The main festival of Buddhism, Buddhist religion person, the Buddha Purnima, and the Christian, their main festival is the Christmas Day, the main festival. Apart from these two religious persons, in our country, there are some ethnic people, ethnic tribes, like as Chakma, Marma, Shautal, Manipuri, Khashi, like this. And they have their own language, own culture, own festival, and own national and religious festival also. But crossing the boundaries of the people of all religions, all language and all occupations, they can live in perfect harmony if they are driven by humanitarian values. They live in our country, in our area, in harmony and humanitarian values. Indeed, all religions fundamentally trace their values. Actually, humanitarian values and the harmony is the main education of all religions. And the inhabitants of Bangladesh have followed that same spirit from time immemorial. Actually, all of the people, they follow this spirit, harmony and humanitarian values. This is the cultural diversity of Buddhism and Christianity, and as well as the ethnic people. Now, you see in the slide, cultural diversity according to language. Cultural diversity according to religion done. Now, we see in the slide, cultural diversity according to language. Actually, in our country, most of the people are Bengali, and their language is Bangla. Our main language is Bangla. But apart from Bengali, in our country, there are more ethnic tribes, ethnic people, almost more than 45 ethnic groups live in our country. So each and every ethnic group, they have their own culture, own language, own festival. But the language also brings about cultural diversity in Bangladesh. Although Bangla is the main language here, over the ages many other languages have mixed in it. Actually, the ethnic people culture is also important part of our culture. But now, ethnic culture, I mean Bengali culture and non-Bengali culture is mixing day by day, because when two culture continue alongside, then one culture influence other culture. For this, in this way, we are our culture is mixing day by day. That is why Bangla language contains evidence from many languages, including Austic, Dravid, Aryan, Arabic, Persian, and Sanskrit. Actually, long time in our country, more nation dominate in our country, in our nation dominated. Suppose Afghan, Turkey, Mughal, and the British, and their language mixed with our language. For this reason, Bangla is the mixed language, and in our language there are more foreign words such as Arabic, Turkey, Persian. These words are mixed with our language. Then the next is culture diversity according to ethnicity. Already you know, the more than 45 ethnic people live in our country, like as Chakma, Marma, Sautal, Manipuri, like this, and they have also one festival, also differ in respect of their lifestyle. They have also their own lifestyle. Each has some unique features in the food, habit, clothing, in the marriage ceremonies and rules and tribes. The diverse culture trends and treated by ethnicity. The ethnic culture is also important part of our cultural diversity. Then the diverse cultural mixture, mixed culture. How? Different religious tribes of Bangladesh are unable to remain restricted to their separate cultural identity. Actually, they cannot restrict their separate cultural identity, because one cannot remain cultural within a particular tribe, because when two cultures are continuing alongside, one influence the other cultures, as like as the language. One language influence other language, when two languages alongside continue, then one language influence the other language. As like when two cultures continue alongside, then one culture influence to the other culture. Thus the culture of religious tribes is influenced by another. This mixing happens in language, food, clothing, observance, and even religious rites. That is how culture of Bangladesh has mixed elements from various religious tribes. So, for this reason, our culture is now the mixed culture, and in our culture has mixed elements from various religious tribes. So, what is Bengali culture? Now, the question is, what is Bengali culture? Bengali culture is the culture created, this is the most important, the culture created in Bangladesh can be called Bengali culture. Students, you see in the slide, the culture created through this mixing of elements available in Bangladesh can be called Bengali culture. So you note this, what is Bengali culture? This is the definition, the culture created through this mixing of elements available in Bangladesh can be called Bengali culture. This is the cultural diversity of ethnicity, ethnic group, and the diverse cultural mixture. Then, dear students, today we have discussed the diversity of cultural diversity and the introduction to cultural diversity of Bangladesh. At first, religious-based cultural diversity, Brahmin and Hindu religion, Islam, cultural diversity of Islam, cultural diversity of Buddhism and Christianity also, and the mixed culture. Then we have discussed the cultural diversity of language and cultural diversity of ethnicity, and at last the mixture culture. And the Bengali culture is the mixture culture. You have seen the slide according to your book. So dear students, now you will do some homework at your home. At first, write one-word questions and answer. 15. You will prepare 15 one-word question and answer as like the MCQ without option. Question and answer. Then write just short notes, briefly. Write the influence of religion in our life and culture. What the influence of religion in our life and culture. You will write according to your book. And number 3, explain the influence of language over our culture. Explain the influence of language over our culture. Describe present cultural conditions of Bangladesh. According to your book, you will describe, you will write in short, present cultural conditions of Bangladesh. So you will complete this homework at your home and you inform me, did you complete, and will you complete your homework? Okay, dear students, it's all for today. Thank you all.